our project is working perfectly fine. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple-Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make AC generator using synchronous motor, 120 volts, 1.5 watts. As you can see guys, so we have the magnet inside and the coil is inside too. So please subscribe to my channel and let's see how we build this guys. Thank you. So guys, this is our battery, 3.7 volt battery in series. As you can see, this is 6 volts connected into series. So here is our switch guys, so we are adding it here. This is the positive, so we are putting it here, and to the positive of the motor. This is our negative down here, so we are connecting it here. So let me put the switch here. So guys, as you can see, this is our battery. Here is the negative directly connected to the motor, and here is for the switch, the positive leg, and it comes like this. And we series the battery plus and minus, so we have 6 volts output, and this is for the AC output guys. So this is our voltage multiplier, as you can see. So we've connected our voltage multiplier, and this is the output. So we are going to test it now guys. So this is 220 volts LED bulb, 220 volt AC, as you can see, 10 watts. So guys, let's give it a try. So guys, as you can see, this is our LED bulb, 220 volts, 10 watts, and I later removed the booster because it's not working perfectly fine guys for it. So we are going to use it in making inverter and other process guys. So we want to test our project now guys. This is our switch and we are going to on it. So let's see how this project is working. Our project is working. We have seen it. And this is our output guys. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. you can see, guys, our project is working perfectly fine. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.